Welcome to our video to demonstrate the ideal gas law. In today's video, you will see how temperature and volume are directly related in the ideal gas law. To do this experiment, you will need to gather a few things: a balloon, measuring tape, ideally a fabric measuring tape, a hairdryer, and an air duster. Step 1 will be to inflate the balloon. You don't want to inflate it too much, about 20 inches in circumference. Measure the initial circumference of the balloon and record it. First, we are going to cool down the balloon to see the change in circumference.
18 inches.
Perfect. And then, it's really cold. Hold it upside down and it sprays like liquid on it. Yep, that's cold for sure.
That's super cool. That's ice on it.
So you can see we literally froze the balloon. Hold that real quick.
Oh, there we go. Shrunk a little over an inch.
So we're at 17 and we're like 16 3/4. Now we're going to heat the balloon back up and measure the circumference. Oh, we're going to... Is that warm? Ooh, it is a little bit warm, yeah.
I could feel it. It already got bigger. Yeah, so it's even bigger than where we started.
So now we're at 18 1/4.
Yeah. Cool.
Science. As you could see from those clips, as you change the temperature in the balloon, the volume of the balloon changes as well. When we increased the temperature of the balloon, the volume also increased. When we cooled off the balloon, the volume decreased. This shows that the ideal gas equation is correct, since the volume and temperature variables are on opposite sides of the equation. This happens because the volume and the temperature are the only things that are changing. The pressure remains constant, along with the R value and the number of particles inside the balloon. We are now going to repeat the experiment to make sure that our initial results were accurate. All right, here we go. Try number 3. We've attached the tape measure to the balloon now so we can get real time, because this thing cools off and heats back up very quickly. As we had the tape measure on there and we were heating it up, you could see that the circumference was growing slowly. And now we're going to cool the balloon back off and see if we can observe it shrinking. Go. So you can see it shrunk down like an inch or more. It's still going. This stuff is super cold.
I guess stop just about there.
So we're at about just over 25 now. Thank you for watching our video demonstrating the ideal gas law.